Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been officially 6 months since I have been leaving my hair in twist. If you have been following me or if you have been watching my videos, then you know that I left my hair in twist for 6 months. Like I said, in August this left side was 16 inches, so today is 4th December. So let's see if we gained some inches or we're able to retain length. At least even if we don't grow inches, we should be able to retain length. This is a bit difficult to do. It's actually, I have some short strands. Wow, it's about 17.5. I don't know if you guys can see. The last time, I don't know if I'm holding it right, it's about 17.5. That's about 1.5 inches. So the last time I did my right side, it was on 15 inches. Like I said, my left grows faster than my right, or I don't know why it was like that, but it was 15 inches. So now we're going to try. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm trying to be very careful so I don't cut myself. Yeah, so wait, what? 17 inches. I also did this, and the last time I said it was just below my breast. So this is where my breast, can you guys see, for my right side. So from here to here, I actually gained some inches, even though it's very thin. I'm going to be trimming my hair, like after washing and blow drying. I'm going to be trimming my hair, but it feels good knowing that my hair actually grew. And this is my left side. The last time it was just a little below my breast, but at the same time as right here, even though it's thin, but I don't care. I grew inches. That's the most important thing right now to me, guys. I'm so excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now I'm going to be washing my entire hair, do a proper protein treatment, blow dry my hair, trim my hair, and all of that. So I will see you in my next video. I hope you learned a thing or two from this entire challenge, and yes, I'm going to be doing it again. See you in my next video. Bye.